I wanted to do a real quick 3-step overview here of Get Fearless Freedom. There's literally 3 steps, and it still blows my mind when I look at other systems and other opportunities out there, and there's nothing wrong with having variations of different sales funnels, but let me show you something super simple, and I've kept it super simple for people over the last few years. So you have a capture page to a sales funnel, which you want to capture their email address. And if you do have, social media and whatnot, then definitely use this, because there's people that may be interested in what you have, but they don't want to message you. So you can always have this in your intro in your social media. So you'll always collect an email address, and you're always collecting a database. You're always going to get people onto your list. So that's step 1. So this is step 1, and this is how I keep, over and over and over again, able to send out to my emails. Now, the best part, stay to the end of this video, because you're going to see how I actually email your leads, and I just did that today, for example. Now, this is step 2. This is the 7-minute video, and the sales page, what they call a sales page, an automated funnel, has a sales page that literally explains everything. Like with Get Fearless Freedom, it is so simple. Again, I was just reviewing another comp plan, and I says, oh my gosh, where's the comp plan video? They had all the information on the products. That's fine. But where is the comp plan, and can you make it simple? Can you say it in less than 7 minutes? So here, you can earn literally 200, 500, 1,000, and 2,000. And if you're not at that level, then you can actually talk with your referring member and get paid at that level. We also have a hotline. So if the person has a question, you don't have to speak to someone that's an AI. It's actually me or one of my team members. And then, of course, you have the different programs and packages and the training that you get with Get Fearless Freedom. So again, step 1, capture page. You're collecting the email. That's all you're doing at this point. We will have some pages available where you can collect the phone number, but a lot of people, they're in the texting and the messenger age. They like to just collect the emails, but we will have that available. And then again, the second part right here is the sales page. So there's literally only 2 pages to this process, and that is why it's so simple. And again, the third one is the follow-up. So if you do have Aweber or GetResponse, or if you want to collect your leads into our back office, you can always download them and then upload them into any of your autoresponders. Okay, this is how simple this funnel is, and it's done for you. So I will send off an email. Right here is the subject lines, and these are all the subject lines. I just sent one off today. I let my members know in my Telegram group that this is what I just sent off for the Zoom tonight. So the Monday Zoom that I'll be on, it'll literally have this right here. And that's how simple this funnel is. So you don't even have to worry about the follow-up or the emails. You don't even have to worry about closing the sale, because I will do that for you. So anyway, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you never miss a video. I'm building up my channel here because it does all the automation for me. And did you know that YouTube is an actual search engine? It's not really a social media platform, because I'm sure you've used it to find out things, right? How to do this, how to do that. You go to YouTube. You don't really go to Google much anymore. You want to find a YouTube video on how to do something. So this is how to set up a 2-page process and to earn money online. So again, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get the notifications, and then also, of course, listen to this amazing 7-minute video that just keeps working for me while I'm here at the office or out now goofing around with my amazing family. And we're the Fearless family. Get to know who we are. You can go through all the other videos. You can hop on a Monday Zoom. You'll get more of a overview presentation, and enjoy life. That's what it's all about. Oh, you can also click on happy members right here, and we're going to be adding more, because I just had a gentleman literally just send me a screenshot. Let me see if I can go to my Facebook right now, and I can show you. He's so happy. He just went to the bank. He just showed me his screenshot. This is what he just got. He said, I'm so grateful for this opportunity. This is my most recent testimonial, March 3rd, 2025. There you go. There's a smile for you. Okay? So anyway, this is Tammy. Again, subscribe to my channel, and of course, visit my website in the description. and I'll see you on the next video.